It's Wednesday. Time is running short. I better get to stitching. But I don't wanna. Menacing vape sound. Distinct lack of a knock. I wonder who it could be. Savage inner critic, what do you...
It's you. Hello, Mary. Oh, no. No.
Director.
Don't do it.
I hear you're feeling blue. Feeling kinda low. You think your stitching sucks. And maybe that is so. But I'm here with some wisdom. So wise you cannot duck it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It doesn't matter. Fuck it! Oh, fuck it! It doesn't matter. You gave it all you had. Fuck it, it's just some fabric. So what if it's kind of bad? So you made a lot of mess-ups, egregious crafting deeds. But just remember, Mary, you can always add more beads. Fuck it. Now say it with me. That's the fuck it fairy way. Fuck it. Make it your mantra and say it every day. You think your sewing's awful, a stinky pile of poo. But the truth you can't deny is no one cares but you. Fuck it. It doesn't matter. You did the best you could. Fuck it. It doesn't matter that your best is not so good. So what if this YouTube channel won't bring you fame or wealth? At least you're having fun with your declining mental health. Declining mental health. You say it's okay? I don't have to fret? You don't have to frown or cry. But I feel rotten, embarrassed, and blue. Nobody cares but you. When you start to worry, when you start to fear, just count to 3, you're OCD, and drink some more Rainier. But it's 7:30 in the morning. Fuck it! You're teaching people the way they should not sew. And that is an awesome lesson, and one that folks should know. Don't overlook your victory, your moment in the sun. You've offered illustration of what should not be done. You're right. I have been making real tutorials this whole time. They're just tutorials in what not to do. And the value that you offer, that you didn't know you had, is that every crafter watching this will see they're not so bad. Fuck it. It doesn't matter. Pick your ass up off the floor. Fuck it. It's just a failure, and I promise you'll make more. But actually, that's a good thing. Stop acting all verklempt. What better proves my genius than a string of failed attempts? Fuck it. so it's imperfect. Perfection is a sin. Fuck it, I'll get it finished, then hide it in a bin. It's just a piece of stitching and a little bit of public shame, so fuck it, it doesn't matter. Now get back in the game!
That was awesome. You are so good at that.
Well, you know I'm always down to spread some sunshine. Everything's gonna be fine.
Look at her go.
You just make sure she stays well stocked with Rainier 24/7. Oh, and make sure she picks up some of that trucker speed, you know, the stuff they use to stay awake. But make sure she gets it at the 7-Eleven. You do not want her hanging around truck stops when she's like this. Trust me.
Okay.
Learned that the hard way.
Okay.
Oh, and does she have plenty of Band-Aids? Antibiotics?
I get whatever it takes to get to the next season.
Next season? Oh, no way. No way you're getting another season out of her now. She's in Fuckit mode.
Fuckit mode?
Yeah, well, it's kind of like Despair, except with more denial and a ton of delusions of grandeur. I've severed all connection with that stupid reality the savage inner critic is always trying to bring her back to.
Well, how am I going to keep making videos if she's in Fuckit mode?
Don't ask me, not my job.
But I like making videos.
Of course you do. You're probably the best editor that's ever existed on the planet, bar none.
Yeah, I probably am.
Anyway, I did what you wanted. Refilled her tank of unwarranted overconfidence. Threw in some mania just to get you some better footage.
Oh, the mania is going to be great.
Anyway, she'll finish the project. Then she'll sink into what I call Fuckit flu. Catatonic depression. A month or two, 3 tops. And then maybe she'll be ready to give a fuck again. But she'll be so consumed with shame and regret that she'll want to do something completely different. I'm hearing excellent things about maritime disasters. You're not, sorry you called, are you?
No. This is what the show needs. The show is the important thing. Show is the only thing.
I knew there was a reason we were friends. You keep up the good work. Oh, and tell Savage Inner Critic I said hi. Doesn't matter. Fuck it. Fuck it. It doesn't matter. Now get back in the game. But I'm so fucking sick of masking I could just die. The end. Thank you for watching. Watch next week. I'll do more stitching. I promise I'll do more stitching next week. This was just me being silly and doing a musical. Because why not do a musical? Instead of stitching. Or on top of stitching. Yes. Thank you for watching. And see you. goddamn asshole motherfucker bastard. That was a good take. Oh man. Okay, well I can do it again.
Okay.
Because I'm a fucking pro. I'm a goddamn pro.
All right, I'm
I'm a
recording.
goddamn.
Here we
I'm an acting professional. God damn it. That was a good
Yes,
take.
you are.
Why weren't
I
you
know.
recording? First, my audio's not
It's
recording. in
okay.
my...
Calm down. Calm down.
Fuck. Alright. Fucking acting. Genius. Right here.
Fucking actors, man.